So today we're gonna see these hexagonal sockets for the electric screwdriver, for drill perhaps. Okay, so this kit was bought from AliExpress, and here we have 5 millimeters. It's pretty small. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 30 millimeters. Let's try to see if they are actually magnetic, and here we have a screw. If I put it inside, it won't drop. So the here inside we have a magnetic tip, because the outside it's not magnetic. So inside this tool there are magnets. The quality is pretty good, and here actually maybe you can see that there is written 30 millimeters, so each bit has its diameter. Would be better if they made it a little bit bigger so you can see it clearly.